Vhazwala vako hagana.
Vhazwala farelana ti. Vhazwala farelana.
Different dzona fasi ah izindu.
Vhazwala farelana.
I'm not sure on the guy. But what I like in Yori, it shows you the artists mostly they don't have a beef, they don't have a problem. But they are mostly influenced by friends and fans. Before fans, it's what friends says on social media. It's what they tell you. Bonazi. Enyo, Bonazi liya Roman. Nikombera
Amara ushapu nga sasa ti. Ula sasa ti ishapu. Ushapu ti. Hadi ulila kuona sasa na rafu futi. Ulele mini. Nile mini kuona safi na rafu. Ndompera butungo kuona sasa na rafu.
Isa Matthews kumbera sasa. Yo guys, there's one artist in there. We're gonna say this now.
Yeah.
And when we're saying it now, people might find out late. Isa Matthews is one of the artists that can do rap, sing, produce, do a lot of things.